Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's another message that confuses a lot of Ram owners. Why does my truck say service adaptive cruise or front sensor blocked? Most of the time, especially in the winter, it's actually something pretty simple. Snow, ice, or road grime that block the radar or the camera sensors the truck uses for adaptive cruise control and forward collision systems. On most Rams, the radar sensor is mounted in the front grille or behind the bumper, and the camera is up near the top of the windshield behind the rearview mirror. If either of those gets covered in snow, slush, or salt spray, the truck can't see properly and it'll disable the system. That's why you'll often see the message pop up during snowstorms or driving after dirty roads. A quick fix is usually just cleaning the grille area and the windshield around the camera. Once the sensors can see clearly again, the system normally resets itself after driving a short distance. Another thing people overlook is windshield damage. If your windshield is cracked, chipped, or replaced with the wrong type of glass, it can affect the front camera's ability to see the road. In those cases, the system may need recalibration. Now, if the message stays on even when everything is clean and the weather is clear, that's when it could indicate an actual sensor or radar issue, like a wiring problem, radar misalignment, or a failing module. So the first step is simple. Clean the front grille area and the windshield camera zone, especially in winter conditions. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.